doing this, I am doing this work not only for my personal upliftment, but also, most importantly, for the betterment, for example, in my profession, for the betterment of the students. So that's the academic classes.
So our next question, sir, is what are some of biggest challenge you face in maintaining unity?
First is my personal issues, especially as regards impatience. Sometimes I'm impatient not only with other people, especially students, but also with myself. Second is same thing, impatience rather with my students. So there are certain behaviors that they have not agree with and really not in accordance with my values. So when I see these things, my that spirituality of humble self is really challenged. So in practice, so those are, I think that's the most that I experience every day in my constant desire to practice those in class.
Next, our question is how does serving others make you feel?
I think sa ako, one of my psychological needs is the need to take care. And I know that I'm really happy with I had a chance to take care, to nurture other people. So I think it comes naturally that serving others is one of the things that fulfills my personal need to nurture other people. So for me, that comes naturally, but again, it doesn't come without a lot of challenges that I had told you earlier. So I'm fine with that. That's why, as I have said, this profession that I am teaching is one of the important avenues where I can express my desire to serve other people.
So we have 5 questions right now. So since we asked you the 3 questions, now other 2 questions will be asked by Miss Nadal. Okay, sir. So Miss Nadal, you may ask a question you have.
Good morning, sir. Question Jesus and Mary. And this is the 4th question, earlier question of Levi. The 4th question is, what spiritual lesson have you learned through humble servant service?
I have learned that first, I did not know everything. I am still, every day is an opportunity and a process of learning and relearning. So that, I think that's part of the spirituality of humble servitude. I need to accept na may mga pagkana. Wala pa na ako may pagkana. Kinahanglan ako may pagkana. Ikalawa is that service is not just about showing that I can do this, and then it's not just for showing also other people that I have done something good, for example. I need to remind myself always every day that I am doing this for a greater purpose. Spiritually and religiously, in my case, it's about serving God through serving other people. Those 2 things are very important. Every day as I enter this chapel to have my short morning prayer, that is the constant grace I take from God. I may fulfill those 2 things every day.
Then the last question is, as a servant of God, how do you inspire you and other to be humble as God?
First is by practicing really how to show others what a good and humble servant should be. For example, when you teach, for example, in my class or in any other situations, opportunities, if you want to teach kindness, the best way to teach kindness is to show kindness. You give the example. So, if I want to teach humble servanthood, because the best teacher is, again, when people, the students, for example, see that their teachers are doing this as an example, then eventually, constant and repetition of this becomes a habit, this becomes a virtue, constant practice of this humble servant will eventually lead to other people following the same. And I hope the impact is not only within the classroom, within this community, but more importantly, outside, even outside. So I hope it will give impact and inspiration